Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be creating this nail design. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to start off by applying 2 coats of this black gel polish, and then I'm going to be putting that into the light for 30 seconds. Once I bring it out, I am going to be adding some I'm going to be adding a top coat to help me glue down the rhinestones. The reason why I like to use a top coat instead of nail glue is because I want the chance to be able to move those rhinestones around just in case I haven't placed them exactly where I want them. I want to be able to move those around. And for some reason I think that a top coat keeps on the rhinestones a little bit longer than just nail glue, but that's just my take on it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried it before. I just feel like they last a little longer. If I was to use nail glue, once I place the rhinestones down, then I can't move them around anymore. So then I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to be placing them and then moving them around and until I have them exactly where I want them. Okay, so now that I have them exactly where I want them, I'm going to go ahead and put this under the light for 30 seconds just so the rhinestones are on the nail and they're not going to move around anymore. So I'm going to pop that into the nail light for 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and bring it out, and then I'm going to be using the same exact top coat and I'm going to be applying it everywhere on the nail. Obviously not on top of the rhinestones, but just everywhere on the nail because that's where I'm going to be applying my glitter. And I'm using a very fine glitter. I don't like to use the chunky one because obviously we're not going to get the same effect. So I'm going to apply the top coat all over the nail, like I said, except on top of the rhinestones. And then I'm going to be applying a glitter. And all I'm going to do is just sprinkle the glitter all around the nail. Now I decided to go in with this black fine glitter. As you can see, I'm helping myself with this cuticle pusher, and all I'm doing is just sprinkling the glitter all around the nail. And then I'm going to pop this nail back into the nail light for 60 seconds because I just want to make sure that it's on there, it's cured all the way. Just because I don't want to lose any of the glitter that I have already applied onto the nail here. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that into the light and then we'll be back. Okay, so once it's out, I'm going to go ahead and just dust it off with this brush here just to get all the excess off, all the glitter excess off the nail. And then I'm also going to be going around the rhinestones with this cuticle pusher here, just to kind of clean off all the edges and make sure that it looks nice and clean. And once I'm done cleaning around the edges, I'm going to go ahead and dust it again, just to make sure I have all that off. And then that's pretty much it. That's all you need for this nail design here. As you can see, this would be the finished product. I went ahead and I made 2 other nails the same way, using the same technique, but just so you could have an idea of how the nail actually looks in different colors. And that's it. Let me know what you think. It's plain and simple. There's nothing difficult about it. Let me know if you like it. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video.